So friends, look at this. They have finally taken two snakes, black and head and back is white, but they are about this. This is old one. This one old, and he's black cobra, and he is black cobra. So you can see this. According to farmer, snakes killed couple of pigeons. You can see pigeons are also available. They killed two pigeons, so really and bad news. Hi friends, how are you? Today I'm with another video of searching snakes. This joge, you can say, a snake catcher man, searching snake. He says that here is a snake in his house, a farmer house. So we are searching the facts of is there any snake available or not. This man is trying to search nojsing. So in fact, some local languages he says about is using a circle. It's a local holy searches. He's reading local prayers. So in Sindhi, so watch how there is. He's safe here. Look at this. He's safe here. So finally he started. How well we will search how weird song. Yep. So this in this area look at I targeted. He says snake will appear here. So he's singing something. Lot of some other videos I made to search a snake. So he's walking. So he's trying. He's again doing circle with it. So he's talking in local language and getting some singing. He's singing with an instrument. You can hear. So he's still with the music. Singing local prayers in Sindhi language. So finally he's yes. Look at this. This snake he has taken. Look coming out. So finally you can see here is a snake. So my camera is not working well. Oh, exactly. Yes, here is a snake. This finger. So he is taking now. So look at this. Oh, it's black. Oh, 2-1, I think. Gana. Oh, I think 2. That's black cobras. It's interesting. Both. There is 2, male and female. So they are black cobras. Interesting. interesting. So amazing. Both are black cobras, dangerous cobras. You can see life. So he's looking. Watch it. Do look at this. So 3-1 is one in his pouch. So you can say so amazing, really amazing. Such a brilliant job from this man. Water. He's getting salt. I don't know why, but salt is interesting. Why they giving salt? अच्छा लून क्यों था जो?
नहीं ये घर में उछली ना।
अच्छा. He said he will be
ये भी बनाना।
defense for another snakes. He's leading some local players.